welcome to Jyotishi.com. So today we are going to continue with the Nakshatra series where we are going to discuss about the Vishaka Nakshatra. So let's continue the Nakshatra series,
Yes.
and today we will discuss the Vishaka Nakshatra.
Yes.
So like the previous times, we'll take a few celebrity examples
Yes.
and also discuss on how it is important for our life, right?
Yes.
Like what are the professions that are related to Vishaka
Yes.
when planets are in
Yes.
Vishaka Nakshatra.
So, as usual, we'll start with a small prayer. So, Vishaka is ruled by Indragni, the combination of Bhagavan Indra and Agni Deva. So, we'll start with a small prayer. Om Indragnibhyom Namaha. So it's a Indra, you know, right? Indra is aristocratic. Indra is the kingly status kind of a deva,
Right.
and then Agni is purely, devouring and spiritual kind of energy. So it's highly spiritual. So there is a sort of a conflict there.
Okay.
So material king versus a sort of spiritual Agni kind of a thing, and so that's exactly the representation of Vishaka, wherein this folk that we see, the fork of a tree. So basically, this lightning, when it happens, you see the forking which happens there, right? So that exactly is the representation of a Vishaka Nakshatra, and Vishaka sort of brings out that aristocracy of Bhagavan Indra and also the spirituality of Agni kind of a flavor. So if both the flavors come out, then the beauty of this nakshatra comes
Blossoms.
out. It blossoms really well.
Okay.
And so for example, just to sort of the greatest the businessman India has ever produced, Ratan Tata. So represents a Vishaka kind of a flavor. So that aristocracy is there, that humility is also there,
Right. Very grounded.
and very grounded. So that flavor comes out when this nakshatra blossoms, and this nakshatra blossoms whenever there is a folk. So always, Vishaka has this confusion whether I need to take this path or this path, kind of a thing, and the answer comes from inside when there is a shock.
Okay.
So it is like a lightning shock. So you would have seen in movies, right? The shock treatment is given and those
Right.
kind of. So that flavor is exactly sort of. So you have a very disturbing neighbor, and then suddenly all the inmates go and give him a shock treatment. After that, it becomes a peaceful kind of a thing. So that setting
Okay.
is a perfect example of Vishaka Nakshatra. So after that shock happens, automatically the nakshatra blossoms, and this both material spiritual direction of Vishaka comes out very
Okay.
powerful, like in the case of Ratan Tata. So another example that we can probably talk about is Nelson Mandela.
Okay.
So that he was born in a royal family, and then so that royal status of Indra comes there, same like Ratan Tata as well. And so that royal thing and that humility towards people, and then those kind of flavor is fantastically very strong from a Vishaka point of view.
Perspective.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So, is it good that for a Vishaka person that he walks both the material and the spiritual
Yes,
part of it at the
yes,
same time?
yes.
Like his day should ideally incorporate both, like have
Yes,
some amount of
yes.
sadhana, chanting, all
Yes.
of that, and also then go to work and also like
Yes.
serve society from
Yes.
that point of view.
So from a Vishaka perspective, balance is fantastic because it's a folk, right?
Right.
So if you are able to maintain that balance, and the balance towards material and spirituality, and then be humble and bring out that humility in you, it is fantastic. So it
Okay.
is said, a lot of people sort of talk about Vishaka as being very nakshatra, which is sort of very jealous. A nakshatra which is sort of very watches the movement of others and those kind of things. But actually, if you see these celebrity examples that we are talking about, it necessarily does not mean
Right.
that, because once this nakshatra blossoms, it is one of the most aristocratic and most humble kind of a nakshatra from that perspective.
Got it.
The sort of potter's wheel is the one of the representations of Vishaka Nakshatra. So potter's wheel, it is based on timing. So they are sort of very strict on timing. So if you say 9 o'clock, the
will be
person
there at 9.
the person will be there at 9 o'clock. So that kind of, so for example, just to talk about a few celebrities, Akshay Kumar is a perfect example of Vishaka Nakshatra, wherein you tell him 10 o'clock, so he comes in various shows like so Kapil Sharma show and all that. So you tell him 9 o'clock, he comes at 6 o'clock. So that is the kind of flavor that because that wheel is constantly,
Right.
persistence and also timing is very very strong from a Vishaka
Vishaka
perspective. And Vishaka also has that classy and style. So if you see Akshay Kumar's dressing, it carries that class and carries the style. So for example, if you see the film actor Mammootty, Malayalam film actor Mammootty, he's about 70 years old,
Right.
but if you look at him, he looks
But
as
he's
if
still a lead actor in
yes,
like a lot of movies.
yes, and he looks like a 50-year-old because of
Right.
his style, his composure, the way he carries himself, the trimming of his body and those kind of things. So that flavor is also very very strong from a Vishaka perspective.
Okay.
Yes.
So what are the best professions for these people?
Yes. So anything to do with biology, anything to do with chemistry, anything to do with zoology, botany, anything to do with healthcare.
Okay.
So that kind of a flavor is very very strong from a Vishaka perspective. Anything to do with government, anything to do with defense, automotive. So if you see, Ratan Tata, Tata Motors, automotive. You see Akshay Kumar. He is brand ambassador for Tatas.
Right.
So again, in automotive, it may be a coincidence, but it's a beautiful coincidence from a Vishaka perspective. So that flavor is
Very
very, very strong from a Vishaka point of view. So anything to do with this, water, biochemistry, those kind of flavors are very, very strong for a Vishaka perspective. Defense.
Okay.
So that flavor is very strong. Vishaka also, the Vimshotri is ruled by Jupiter, right? So it's in Venus's house.
Right.
So Vishaka is in Venus's house. So Jupiter, Venus, that combination of sort of celebrity and relation to music is very very strong. So the Indra's flavor of music and then Agni's sort of capability to keep on absorbing things kind of a thing. So that musical flavor is very very strong. So for example, celebrities like Beyonce, Katy Perry. So even our greatest classical musician Balamurali Krishna, he also has a Vishaka sort of a very strong sort of a flavor. So this concept of music is also art, design, music is also very 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 favorable for a Vishaka Nakshatra. Because of this Venus influence, most of them will have a sort of a artistic tilt.
Tilt to them.
So either they will be drawing, painting,
or interior designer,
decorating the quilling,
Right.
your origami, some sort of a flavor will be there from a Vishaka
perspective. Okay. So now like every nakshatra also has a body part, right?
Yes.
Like Hasta has the
Yes,
hand.
yes.
So what is the Vishaka
Yes.
representation?
So Vishaka generally, sort of represents the chest, the breast, and all that. So depending on the strength and the positioning of the moon, along with other planets, it depends on the positioning. Whether you have a strong chest and breast kind of a thing, that kind of a flavor is very strong. So the airy sign, right?
Right.
So breathing and it is also Saturn's sign. So walking long distances, doing pranayama, all those things are very good for a Vishaka
person. So any type of breathing exercises,
yes,
all of
yes.
that is
It's
very good
very,
for the Vishaka person.
yes.
Okay.
And the animal represented is a tiger again. So like Chitra is also tiger. So they are very watchful. They are very slow, careful, and then sort of believed to be early risers kind of a thing in terms of perspective. And they have that royal kind of a thing.
Okay.
Royal, and they like to eat a lot. So there is some because of this Agni's nature, they
fire in the belly is
yes.
very high.
So either there will be, because if there are malefics associated, either they will not be able to eat more, or they or their children or their husbands kind of thing. One of those flavors will be continuously eating.
Okay.
So that flavor is very very strong, and Vishaka has some sort of a connection with Lord Subramanya. So some people say that Subramania's nakshatra is Vishaka, but actually it is more related to your Pushya, Puyam kind of a nakshatra. So Vishaka and Pushya, there is some sort of a relationship. always, there is some connection with Subramanya, Vishaka, and Pushya kind of
Okay.
flavor.
So
That
Lord
flavor is
Muruga
also.
was the king, right? King of
Yes,
warriors, right?
yes,
He was
yes,
the Devasena,
yes,
Devasena Adipati.
yes, yes.
So there are also good leaders. These
Yes,
people,
they are also good leaders. They are aristocratic leaders.
right?
So they are not taskmasters, but they
Uh-huh.
are aristocratic leaders who lead by example,
Mm.
kind of a thing. They're very sort of a very good nakshatra from that
Perspective.
perspective.
So is it good to like pursue IAS,
Yes,
IPS,
yes,
those sort of
yes. So anything in leadership, anything in being in command, kind of a
bureaucracy?
thing. Yes, and they will have that style and aristocracy and that beauty in
Mm.
terms of they are carrying themselves and taking care of people, managing the
Mm.
show, kind of a thing. That kind of a flavor is
Very, very
very
strong.
strong from that.
So I'm assuming it would be a pleasant personality to be with these people.
Yes, yes. It's a good personality, but there is also, if this dual nature is not sorted out, then they are known to be sort of a little bit of jealousiness, a little
Okay.
bit of watchfulness. They will follow you, and those kind of tendencies are there for Vishaka Nakshatra.
Okay.
If this flavor does not blossom,
Right.
if this flavor blossoms through a shock in life,
Uh,
so for example, father Ratan Tata, father mother divorced, and
right.
he was taken care by the uncle. So
Grandma.
there is a shock, there is a thing, and that's this flavor sort of blossomed in life. Once this flavor blossoms through a shock, then automatically that the personality blossoms to a beautiful
Okay.
nature, and
Right.
Vishaka becomes a very beautiful thing.
Person to
And
be
then
with.
over a period in time, they move and connect with divinity, spirituality,
Right.
become more humble, and those kind of flavors are very, very strong from a Vishaka.
Vishaka.
So this arch is a very fantastic representation of Vishaka again. So anything to do with educational university, where you enter the educational university, anything to do with teaching, and being in educational kind of a field, training. So those kind of fields are also very good from a Vishaka
Okay.
point of view. And then this music and poetry is also very fantastic combination from a Vishaka point of view. So if you talk about people like Sarojini Naidu and those kind of people, so that Vishaka flavor is very, very strong
From
from
that
that
perspective.
perspective also.
So, like Anand mentioned, there are a few key pointers with the Vishaka Nakshatra. The main thing being about being aristocracy and having a lot of money, right? Like, so one other example for a good Vishaka Nakshatra is Mark Zuckerberg. So, where he rose up, to become this founder of Facebook, now Metaverse, right? So, if you have planets in Vishaka Nakshatra and would like to know what is the best career option for you, do log on to jyotishi.com and we can help.